In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on TikTok in 2026 with this easy step-by-step guide. Whether you want to update your personal branding, refresh your profile, or simply correct your current name, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process quickly and professionally. Open the TikTok app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you directly to your TikTok profile page where you can manage your account settings and personal information. Next, tap the Edit Profile button located below your current profile picture and bio section. Inside the profile editor, look for the name option under the About You section and tap on it. You can now enter your new display name. TikTok allows display names with up to 30 characters. So choose a name that matches your personal style, brand, or online identity. After typing your new name, carefully review it for spelling, spacing, and formatting. Once everything looks correct, tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Your new TikTok display name will immediately appear on your profile. Keep in mind that changing your TikTok username is different from changing your display name, and usernames may have additional restrictions or availability requirements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful TikTok tutorials and social media tips.